Want to know the digital marketing roadmap in 2023? Yes, even if you are beginner, advanced, but you should know the roadmap, where the industry is going, where you should go, you should align with the industry to get the right opportunities and right market. So the complete roadmap will be shown in this video. Stay till the end, watch it. Trust me, it is going to blow your mind. So first, before going into the roadmap, let's take one question which this Alan has asked. Please explain me how you manage your team. This is the thing I'm struggling to find and manage at the same time. Okay, so ये टीम का क्वेश्चन है, तो ये रोड मैप में एक टीम का टॉपिक आएगा, हम तभी लेंगे. सो लेट्स डायरेक्टली गो इनटू द वीडियो रोड मैप. सो how you should start now. बहुत क्वेश्चन है ये लोगों का. How we should scale, how we should do the job, how we should do the freelancing, how we should do launch our agency, how we should scale our agency. You can do that everything. First see. Now if you want to start your career, or even if you are in mid of your digital marketing career, start by learning copywriting. Because whatever you take, be it brand building, be it ads, be it email, be it content, be it content creator, what is everything? Everything is copy. And if you don't know copy, if you don't understand how these guys are creating copy, what they're doing, you won't be able to scale up, right? And the best part is, once you know the psychology, the copywriting, the writing part of it, hooks, story, how to build that story, how to present the offer, everything else is, trust me, technical. Everything else is learnable, trainable within few days or months, I would say. But copy is something you should start with, and you will grow over time. So always start by learning copy. This is your first step. And second step would be, now since AI is coming, right? Now you know the basic understanding of copy. Not basic, you know the understanding of copy and everything, structure. You are doing it everything. But now try to create the copy using AI. Yes, AI is coming. Now you will learn AI also. You are ahead of the market if you are using AI and creating copies. You are saving your time and done. That's good for you. Now, once you know copywriting, if you are starting out, or even if you are in the middle but you are struggling to grow, learn copywriting. Automatically your career will grow faster. Okay. Now there are two paths after learning copy. The first path is social media marketing and advertisement. Okay. Now this is first path. Let me tell you second path. Second path is performance marketing and advertisement. Okay. Let's go deep अभी जाते हैं, and we will see what is social media marketing and ads. Social media marketing में आता है building brand, creating content, creating post, creating engagement on social media, growing followers, increasing organic followers with proper copy. अभी आप एक चीज देख रहे हो, इन हर एक चीज में content, engagement, creating images, everything involves copy. If you are not good at copy, you are failing as a social media marketer. So this is the biggest mistake everyone is doing. They are trying to become social media marketer without knowing copywriting. Do you get it? So this is how you learn social media marketing, brand building strategy, but after copywriting. Now the last step of social media marketing is what? Getting organic sales. What will your content do? Eventually you have to sell. If you are not selling your product, if you don't have a sales strategy, your social media marketing strategy fails, right? So eventual goal is sales. So again, recapping the social media thing, once you start social media, start with content creation, sales post, valuable post, content post, and eventually engagement, ads, and learning how to run ads also. If you are doing social media marketing, because ads is also the part of social media marketing, right? So this path is for social media marketing. Now comes the second most important part, which is performance marketing and advertisement. Now understand one thing, what is performance marketing? Performance marketing is nothing but increasing the ROI. Either you can say with paid ads or organic, whatever it may be, but increasing the ROI is the goal. With social media marketing, increasing the brand awareness, content, and eventually getting sales. But with performance marketing, improving landing page copies, improving landing page performance, improving your performance of ads, having the backend conversion, improving backend sales is what performance marketing is all about. So what you have to do, if you want to go into performance marketing, first you have to understand what is landing page, how it works, what is sales funnel, then what are the optimization required in terms of landing page, how you can improve that. Do you get it? Now comes landing page. Now you can go into deep learning ads. See, ads are part of both, because without ads, like, you won't get data. Now in performance marketing, next step comes is when you run ads after landing page optimization. Now you need to go more deep. You have to understand when the traffic is getting into your landing page. You need to understand what is the traffic, what type of traffic is actually generating you sales, and you can increase more performance after analyzing that data. So what is the third step? Analyzing data. Once you have analyzed the data, you can improve the performance, and that is what actually performance marketing is, right? So now we have seen your first step is always copywriting. Second, AI also, since it's trending, you can't be behind. Then either you will move into social media marketing or you will move into performance marketing. I personally like performance marketing, and that's what we are running our funnels traffic agency. We are doing copywriting, sales funnel, landing pages, ads, email marketing, generating ROI. That's what we do. You can check out our website funnelstraffic.com if you want to know. This is our done for you services. And let me tell you, we on this YouTube channel हम लोग every day पे videos ला रहे हैं, every day, on everyday basis we are answering questions for the people who are starting out, who are at advanced, from beginner to advanced level, who are stuck in all these stuff, because we are doing it from last 5 years. So comment your questions if you have anything related to online space, digital product, anything. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are going to give value bombs. Okay, now you have understood this. After this, what? After this comes, now you have, if you are complete beginner, you have done all these things, you know all of these stuff. Now you need to do it practically. How you will do it practically? Now the first option you have is do the job, do internships, find job, and find the jobs which involve your interest, which could be either social media or performance. Don't jumble. I am taking interviews on everyday basis. Trust me, people call that they are into digital marketing space from past 3 years, and when I ask a simple question, what is conversion in Facebook ads, they don't know. They are blank. They are clueless, right? So choose a field, go deep into it. So after doing job, after at least for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, do job, then you can, then now there are two options for you. Now either you can become a freelancer or you can start your own agency. If you are doing a freelancer, again there are different challenges with the freelancer. But you are person like you want to be alone, you don't want some team. But if you want team, you can invest a little bit of time on your team, clients, money in building a systems agency. All those comes into digital marketing agency. So now it's up to you. You are choosing to become a freelancer. Everything has a pros and cons. Or you are choosing to become a digital marketing agency. We would definitely do in-depth video on all these agency and social media marketing and freelancer. If you comment what challenges you are facing as a freelancer or as an agency owner, or even starting out, we would definitely take all of these questions. But do comment. And now I want to improve in 2023 and 2024. So you can watch out my video, high income skills. Here there might be the link. You can watch that out and understand those things. Now before ending, I would like to answer this one question which I told you in the start: how to manage team. Now to manage team, you have to have the systems. People, your business will not be run by people. It should run by system, because people come and they go. There might be a possibility some team member will join your team and after 6 months he might leave. Anything could be the reason. But if you have the system, the new person comes in, he should adopt the system. You should not be the person who is again training them from scratch, doing all of the things again, that will take you 6 months backward, right? If you don't want to go back, have the system of every service you are doing, be it ads, be it copywriting, be it photography, be it graphic designing, be it video editing. Have the system. If any of your team member goes, you are ready with your plan because you have the system, right? That will take you to the next level. And that's the one tip of managing team, but it's a broad topic. Definitely, if you ask me some specific question related to how to manage this challenge, I'm ready to give you answer. So yeah, this was roadmap for digital marketing in 2023. Last but not the least, learn sales. Sales. Everything is about sales. Even if you are a freelancer or if you are an agency owner, sales is the only thing you should do. Rest all should be managed by the team.